Blueline Tech Studios.
Yo, what's up guys, what's going on? Here's Blueline Tech. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable accessibility shortcuts. So I am not going to explain much, just watch the video to the end and you will understand what I'm talking about, hopefully. So you're going to open your
settings for new item.
Then you're going to look for accessibility
Button.
right,
Heading.
Look for accessibility shortcut.
Accessibility shortcut. VoiceOver. Configure and then triple click the side button to toggle accessibility features on or off. Triple click the side button for heading.
So you can triple click your side button to turn how should I say it? Hold on, let me just show you.
Assistive touch.
Assistive touch.
Background sounds.
Background sounds.
Color filters.
Color filters. So these are some few options. When you triple click on your side button, you can turn those on or off. And I'll show you the rest at the end of the video. But now I'm going to also show you how you can rearrange the options. So I like to use something I call the drop button, and it's something like this. Hold on, let me show you.
Classic invert.
Classic convert.
Reorder classic invert. Button. Draggable.
Invert.
Double tap and hold. Wait for the sound. Then drag to rearrange.
So you're going to double tap and hold. When you hear the sound, you can slide your finger upwards or downwards.
Moved above color. Moved above back. Moved above assistive touch.
You can also, as I said, move it downwards.
Moved below it. Moved below back. Moved below color filters.
Let me just leave it here. And yeah guys, that's it. I hope I was able to help you out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Accessibility shortcut. Heading. Configure and then triple click the side button to toggle accessibility features on or off. Triple click the side button for heading. Assistive touch. Background sounds. Classic invert. Color filters. Control nearby devices. Dim flashing lights. Full keyboard access. Hover typing. Increase contrast. Left/right balance. Live captions. Live recognition. VoiceOver. Live speech. Magnifier. Reduce motion. Reduce transparency. Reduce white point. Smart invert. Speak screen. Switch control. Vehicle motion cues. Voice control. Zoom.
Hold on guys, before you go for VoiceOver users, I got something for you. So you can also use the accessibility shortcut by actually looking for VoiceOver. So I actually dragged it up here, rearrange it up here so I don't have to look for it.
VoiceOver.
So you're going to double tap on that.
Selected. VoiceOver.
If you triple click on your side button, you can turn VoiceOver off.
VoiceOver off.
Or you can also turn it on by repeating the same gesture.
VoiceOver on.
Yeah, so guys, this time for real though. Peace out.
Subscribe, like, and turn on your post notification.